making a lot of money online. Most individuals have taken a step to fill their bank accounts with the money from social media, with the money from apps, with the money from internet. Mention it, mention any website, mention any field that people are using to make money online. It's true and 100% true that the individuals have made money online. However, we have gotten a challenge, and the very biggest challenge, especially from African countries, whereby most people find it very hard to be convinced, even find it very hard to make money online, while others who know it, the very few people, are making millions and millions of money. They're using their phones, making videos, they are going on live videos, they are going on all posts. Make it, just mention it. Is it on Instagram? Is it on TikTok? Is it on WhatsApp? Are we talking about YouTube? Are we talking about all the platforms, Snapchat? Without forgetting that there are remote jobs, there are all others out there. But with us in Africa, 90% of people and the youth have not really accepted, and also they find it very hard to make money online or to make money with the apps. So today I would love to bring the points I feel that have hindered Africa, and in particular my country, and in East Africa, South Africa, West Africa, from accessing or from getting this money that we always term as free money, whereby it isn't free per se, but you don't put an investment. The only thing that makes it free is because we don't put investment. By the investment we put is our focus, the investment we put is our time and our passion. But why do you think that 99% of us really are hard to get money? They find it hard to get money out of this online. I have very many reasons, but I'm going to be giving you 2 to 3 reasons which are very common. But before that, what triggered this video? I've gotten a number of questions. Whenever I post a video, most people from Africa will never ask, how can I do it? Will never ask, I reached here and it failed. The only thing they asked in the comment section, they normally ask, have you done it and you got money? How much did you earn from there? Is it real? Is it a scam? Can you recommend us maybe one of them that is very legit? You find they are never positive. They have a biased mind in them. But before we go into these important points, important reasons why we've not made money as Africans from this online, let me say thank you very much for having been there for us. Thank you for making us. Immaculate Shows say thank you, because Immaculate Shows' goal and vision is there to hold your hand, is there to change your mindset, is there to tell you that that phone that you're holding in your hands, that internet and data that you buy every day, can change your story. Mindset is all that we need for us to fly. So thank you for making us. And let's continue. Let's dive in and see the first point. You people, the first point, leaving other best points of why it is hard for us to make money, it is bias. Most Africans have bias. How are they biased? It is like, because of what we see on internet, because of what we hear in the stories, most people think you cannot get money out of internet or out of online. They believe and think that anything that is online is a wrong thing. So most people, even some of my friends, have gone ahead to ask me, is this money really pure? Isn't it maybe given by some groups of people that are not spiritual? Others go ahead to attach the amount of the money that to receive online with other evil associated things. So that brings bias, and that bias limits most of the individuals. A person who is supposed to refer an app or a survey, or to refer someone to do money on TikTok, on Instagram, you find another person is biased. So the moment someone is biased, can never refer it. And bias has been one of the biggest things, especially in Africa, as far as online is concerned. You know, with African countries being developing countries, countries that are coming up right now, it's when the most of the population, especially the youth, have seen online gadgets, have handled gadgets, have handled laptop. The few who have done that. So there are some things that are coming up that they never knew, or their ancestors never knew at all. So it is very hard for them to buy the idea. The second point about this is lack of internet. The few who would love to take part in this, they don't access internet. In Africa, to be specific, in Uganda, if you take a survey of families, out of 100 families, you'll find only 2 families can access Wi-Fi internet constantly. That means those ones are in the first class of citizens in the whole country, and they go ahead, either they are great business people and they install internet in their homes. But for the few who can manage to buy data, it is very hard for them to go deep and go to the apps and stay almost 15 to 20 minutes opening the app. Remember, their people's mindset is my money should not get finished. So the internet is a very, I can call it a very strong reason why most people in Africa cannot access online money activities, online money, jobs, apps, and other things. To add on that, with Africa, if they have internet, full internet, if they had it, it means they would have access, extra access, like if Wi-Fi is there full time, access time for them to be there and dig and know what other people are doing, what is taking place outside in other countries. But because there is no that internet fluidity, it's why you find most people, when they put their data, they'll go direct to what they need, not what they search. So the third point is about poor mindset. The mindset of an African, mostly in East Africa and other countries like West Africa, there is something that has been happening on internet. So most people think everything that comes on internet and is concerning money, it is a scam. You know, let me say it, one of the countries that is the biggest country and beautiful, one of the countries that is very knowledgeable with wise people, that is Nigerian people. They are known to be the people who do scamming, people who do this. So anything that happens on internet, they will ask you, is it true? And when people are told to put their accounts, when people are told to put their people, they fear that they are going to be scammed. However, to some extent it is true. When you're not experienced, you can easily be scammed. How can you easily be scammed? Even the scammers are using the platforms for them to scam you. But how will you know that you're going to be scammed? You will know that you'll be scammed. One, if they ask you your bank details, if they ask, is one of the things that most people, and in particular African people, have failed to be paid on this internet or online. So what we need to change our mindset. I'm not here in this video to show you how to change your mindset. It will be in another video, but I'm here to let you know that why you are not earning on these apps, why you are not earning on internet.
Yeah, most of African people are not earning on internet because their mindset and their focus is not there. But we will consider another point as lack of exposure and lack of reading. Most of our people from Africa are not exposed to these things, and they don't read. That's why they say if you want to hide something from an African, you just hide it in a book. They will not. Even the ones who have access to reading, like on ChatGPT, to read Google and other things, they will tell you, Christine, no, I can't go there. Then another point we should look at, why most of our people have given up with online things, it's because of the method of payments. When we got the method of payment, most of African countries, they don't use banks and others. So these apps, when they are going to pay you, they use like PayPal. And in African countries and Asia, most PayPals are they are banned. They are not user friendly. So they find it hard to fidget around, to work around it, to go and really get to it. Even the few people who have made it up to there, they have failed to withdraw their money because they don't want to go in the long ways to go and put in this and the other to get address verified. So this makes them feel down, and when they're asked for the review and about it by the friends, they say no, it doesn't work. So there are a lot of things that have hindered Africans, but these ones are among but a few. See you in another video.